So I started a little early, but this was on here like that. It's just a Phillips screwdriver. Take this screw out, take this screw out. I popped it open with a flathead. I pulled that fog light out first, and you can see that's where it is. Daytime running light. It'll be up around there somewhere. I'll videotape it once I get to it. And this just got pulled out, and actually in order to get it out, you push this in and pull this out. So we're gonna go ahead and put in the new, I'm gonna put the new light bulb in real quick. This is the light bulb I got. The JDMastar lighting in white. I think it's the 11, or no, the H13s, or H11s. This is what I bought. This, and there are the old ones. LED, LED. So, basically, I'm just gonna plug this in. Alright, so during this part, I actually pulled out the DRLs first, and this is the DRL light you're looking at right now. Yeah, so I pulled that out, and I started working on it right away. I forgot to show you that I did put the fog light back in, and it did click back in, and then I just started working on this one. You can just pull the bulb out by pushing down slightly, turning it counterclockwise, and then putting the bulb in, you're going to push in slightly and turn it clockwise. So just like that. This is the Canbus error-free DRLs. You push in slightly and turn it clockwise. It is a little lit. I don't know if you could tell. I don't know. I know my interior lights do the same thing, so I haven't had any problems with them yet. Alright, I got my cover plugged in. It's not fully put on yet, but I'm going to turn my car on and we're going to show you what these look like. So, on here real quick. So you guys could see that I did get an error message in that video. I had to go ahead and put the old bulb back in, return the ones that I did order off of Amazon, and then order new ones, which I did get today. I did install those. In the next video, we'll show you those installed on this vehicle. All right, so you guys do see that the new bulb is installed. I did not get a message on my dashboard. This bulb ended up working, so I kept one for an extra. They look fantastic. I'm so happy with the way they turned out. It looks great. So I can't wait to get my headlights next from JW Speaker. Alright guys, thanks for watching my video. I appreciate it. I'll put the links for the bulbs that I did purchase on Amazon below. Please like this video if you do like it. If not, whatever. It is what it is. If you have any questions or anything, leave me a comment. I'll go ahead and respond. Thanks guys.